हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल टॉपर आर्क। आज मैं आपके सामने 5 मार्क्स के टॉप 4 क्वेश्चंस लेकर आई हूं जो आपको 100 आउट ऑफ 100 मैथ्स में स्कोर करने में हेल्प करेंगे। एंड दीज क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस ईयर्स CBSE पेपर्स। सो आई स्टार्ट माय सेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन अ फिजिक्स एक्सपेरिमेंट three masses are hung in an equilibrium as shown in this figure, where PR is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. This one is PR. PR is 20 root 2 centimeter. Based on this situation, you have to find out angle RPQ, angle RQP. Number 2 is find the perpendicular distance of R from PQ. R से PQ का distance. And number 3 is find the distance between P and Q. The distance between P and Q. Now, as we know, this angle is 45. Angle PRM is 45. So this angle will also be 45 according to the alternate law. So angle RPQ will be equal to 45 degree. That is alternate interior angle. Similarly, angle RQP, that is RQP, this one is also 30 degree, and the reason is same, alternate interior angle. So this is your first part. Angle RPQ is equal to 45 degree and RQP is equal to 30 degree. Now for the second part, find the perpendicular distance of R from PQ. You have to find out the perpendicular distance of R from PQ. इस पॉइंट को हम S ले लेते हैं. So you have to find out the value of SR. Now in triangle PSR, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री लगाएंगे हम. So sin 45, sin of 45, sin 45 का फॉर्मूला that is P over H, perpendicular over hypotenuse. So 45 थीटा के सामने वाला आपका perpendicular, so it will be SR, and here hypotenuse is 20 root 2. So this is 20 root 2. And what is sin 45? Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So here SR will be 20 root 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 cancel and it will be 20 centimeter. Please make it sure कि आप यूनिट जरूर लिखें, अदरवाइज आप नंबर अपना लूज कर जाएंगे. So SR will be 20 centimeter. This is your second part. Now for the third part, you have to find out the distance between P and Q. So in triangle PSR, tan theta is equal to perpendicular over base. That is tan 45 is equal to perpendicular is SR and your base is PS. So tan 45, what is the value of tan 45? It is 1 equal to SR. SR is 20 जो हमने अभी निकाला है, and PS will be your 20 centimeter. Again taking the other triangle, in triangle QSR. So again tan 30 is equal to P over B, that is perpendicular over base. Now what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is again SR and the base is here SQ. Tan 30, what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. And SR हमने अभी निकाला था, that is 20 centimeter. 20 upon SQ is equal to 1 upon root 3. So here SQ will be equal to 20 root 3 centimeter. Now you have to find out the value of PQ. So PQ is PS plus SQ, that is PS is 20 and SQ is 20 root 3. Taking 20 as common, so it will be 1 plus root 3 centimeter. So this is the length of PQ. Now we come to the next question. Second most important question, the plates of the same size are arranged in a stack स्टैक में अरेंज की हुई है हमने प्लेट्स। बेस्ड ऑन द अबव सिचुएशन यू हैव टू आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। ये आपको फिगर दी हुई है, इसमें 2 प्लेट्स हैं, इसमें 5 हैं, इसमें 8 हैं, इसमें 11 है। सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ एज इट इज 2, 5, 8, 11। तो ये वाला क्वेश्चन हमारा एपी का है, अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। सो फर्स्ट पार्ट, हाउ मेनी प्लेट्स विल बी ऑन द स्टैक? 10। कितनी प्लेट्स हमारी स्टैक 10 पर होंगी? सो टू सॉल्व द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, stack number 10. So you have to find out the value of A10. So A10 will be A plus n minus 1D. Here n की value, n is 10. So it will be A plus 10 minus 1, that is 9D. So A10. Now 2, 5, 8, 11 ये जो है हमारी AP है. So in this A is equal to 2 and D. What is D? D is 5 minus 2, that is 3. So putting the value of A and D, I'll get 2 plus 9 into 3, that is 2 plus 27. So 27, 28, 29. So 29. तो हमारे पास A10, that is stack number 10 पे कितनी प्लेट्स आ गई हमारी? 29. So this is the answer number 1. Now for the second part, what is the ratio of number of plates in the 15th and the 19th stack? 15th stack पे और 19th stack पे जितनी प्लेट्स हैं उनकी we have to find out the ratio. So first of all I'll find out A15. A15 is A plus 15 minus 1, that is 14D. A is 2 plus 14 into D is 3. So 2 plus 42, that is 44. And now I find out A19. A19 is A plus 18D. A is 2 plus 18 into 3. So it is 56. 56. So you have to find out the ratio. So ratio will be 44 divided by 56. कटिंग करेंगे हम 22 अपॉन 28, 11 upon 14. So your ratio is 11 ratio 14. So this is the second answer. Now to solve the third one, if the diameter of the plate is 14 centimeter, ये जो plate है इसकी diameter जो है that is 14 centimeter. So here radius will be 7 centimeter. What will be the area of the canvas required to just cover the third stack? Third stack. This is first stack, this is second, this is third stack. Third stack को cover करने के लिए area of the canvas हमें निकालना है and given the width of the plate is 0.5 centimeter. Width जो है plate की वो 0.5 centimeter दी हुई है. Now the third part is here radius will be 14 upon 2, that is 7 centimeter. एंड थर्ड स्टैक के लिए हमारे पास 8 प्लेट्स हैं. So area will be equal to CSA of cylinder plus pi r square. This is 2 pi RH plus pi r square. pi r कॉमन लिया हमने, so 2h plus r. So it will be 22 by 7. R is 7. 2 into height. Now हमारे थर्ड वाले स्टैक पे 8 प्लेट्स थी. So h will be 8 into thickness. एक की thickness हमारे पास 0.5 है. So it will be 4 centimeter. So height will be 4. And plus radius is again 7. 7 कट गया, so it will be 22. 14 plus 7. 21 into 22. इतना हमारे पास एरिया ऑफ द कैनवस centimeter square, area of canvas required. So 22 into 21, 242 centimeters. So this is your answer number 3. Now we come to the third most important question of 5 marks. Now given here is a picture of Olympic rings. ये हमारे पास पिक्चर दी हुई है ओलंपिक रिंग्स की, मेड बाय टेकिंग द 5 congruent triangles. 5 congruent triangles है in such a way that the chord formed by joining the point of the intersection, जो हमारी chord बन रही है point of intersection of the two circles is also the length of 1 centimeter. That means कि ये वाली जो chord है इसकी लेंथ भी हमारे पास 1 सेंटीमीटर है. This is the center of the circle. You have to find out the total area of all the dotted region. जितना भी हमारे पास ये dotted region है इसका एरिया निकालना है, and assuming the thickness of the rings, जो rings की thickness है, that is negligible. So what you have to find out? You have to find out all this area shaded वाला जितना भी region है. Now अब ये ring है, this is of the length 1 centimeter, this one is also 1 centimeter, and length of the chord is again 1 centimeter. So this is an equilateral triangle of 1 centimeter. So to find out the total area, पहले हम एरिया निकाल देंगे एक का. So area of sector will be equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now as this is an equilateral triangle, so your theta is 60 degree. So it will be 60 upon 360 into pi, radius is 1 ka square. So it will be 1 upon 6 into pi. This is the area of sector. Now area of equilateral triangle, we know the formula, root 3 a square upon 4. What is A? A is 1 centimeter. So root 3 into 1 ka square upon 4. So it is root 3 upon 4. So area of this region, that is segment, area of minor segment, will be area of sector minus area of equilateral triangle. That is pi by 6 minus root 3 upon 4. एलसीएम ले लेते हैं 12, तो 2 पाई माइनस 3 रूट 3. एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेगमेंट इज एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. और क्योंकि ये एक हमने सेक्टर का निकाला है और हमारे पास कितने हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, सो हम इसको 8 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे एंड बाय सॉल्विंग we will get the answer as common ले लीजिए 2 4 जा 2 6 जा 2 2 जा 2 3 जा. So your final answer will be 4 pi minus 6 root 3 upon 3 centimeter square. So this is your final answer of all the shaded region. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, 100% आपके पास जो है ये क्वेश्चन आपको बोर्ड पेपर में मिल जाएगा. कमिंग टू द फोर्थ वन, द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज अ सिलिंड्रिकल बकेट. एक हमारे पास सिलिंड्रिकल बकेट है 32 सेंटीमीटर हाई विद द बेस रेडियस ऑफ 18 सेंटीमीटर. रेडियस हमें 18 सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ है. इट इज फिल्ड विद द सैंड. इसके अंदर पूरा सैंड है. दिस बकेट इज एम्प्टीड ऑन द ग्राउंड. इसको हमने एम्प्टी कर दिया ग्राउंड पे और एक हीप बना दी, कोनिकल हीप बना दी है. इफ द हाइट ऑफ द कोनिकल हीप, ये जो कोनिकल हीप बनी है हमारी सैंड की, इसकी हाइट 24 सेंटीमीटर है एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रेडियस एंड द स्लैंट हाइट ऑफ दिस हीप. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ हीप ऑफ सैंड एंड दिस इज अ बकेट विच इज फिल्ड विद द सैंड. तो जब भी हम एक से दूसरी जगह ट्रांसफर करते हैं, सो वॉल्यूम जो है वो सेम हो जाता है. दैट मीन्स कि वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन. What is the formula of volume of cylinder? It is pi r square h. And here volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. इसको R1 ले लेते हैं, इसको R2 ले लेते हैं क्योंकि R सेम नहीं है. इसको H1 ले लेते हैं, इसको H2 ले लेते हैं बिकॉज हाइट इज ऑल्सो डिफरेंट. पाई से पाई हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. सो R1 is 18. So 18 square into height is 32 because this is of cylinder is equal to 1 by 3 and here radius you have to find out. So R ka square into height is 24. Now it will be 18 into 32 into 3, ये 3 ऊपर ले जाएंगे हम और ये 24 नीचे and this will be R का square. 3 8s are 8 4s are, so R square will be 118 और 4 का 2. This will be your R. So R will be 36 centimeter. So the radius of conical heap is 36 centimeter. Now we have to find out the slant height. As we know, L ka square, that is slant height square, is equal to R square plus H square. L square is equal to R square plus H square. So R is 36 square and height is 24 ka square. This is L square. So 36 ka square, so it will give you 1296 and 24 ka square, it will give you 576. So addition karke, it will be 1872. This is L square. So L will be root of 1872. Now 1872 prime factorization kar lenge hum. 2 9s are, 2 3s are, 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 6s are 12, 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So 117. 117 is a prime number. So I get 2 and one more 2. So it is 2 into 2 root of 117. So it will be 4 root 117. So this is the slant height. So this is your slant height and this one is your radius. Please make it sure to write down the units. So आज के लिए इतना ही था. ये 4 important questions मैंने आपको दिए हैं and these are very 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 important. And thanks for watching my channel.